Hello Baker families, this is Mr. Turalva. In this video I'm going to walk you through get into your child's class Dojo-Portfolio. The first thing that you need to do is get to our classdojo.com page. It should look something like this. You have two options. You can go ahead and click on login and you will have four different options here at the top. Of course, they will be logging in as a student. Now, you can go ahead and do that, or here at the bottom, you have the same four options. They can go ahead and just click on student. The same three options will be given here. Now, they have the option of signing in using a QR code, or their email. What I would like for them to do for now is to go ahead and log in using a class text code. The code that they need to enter is AKM QAD. AKMQAD. Once they enter that code, the system will automatically log them in. Again, that was AKMQAD. Once logged in, all they have to do is click on their name and that will redirect them to their portfolio. So I have created an account under my name so I can go ahead and show you what the portfolio looks like. Now, as you can see, in each student's portfolio, they'll be able to access all the posts, photographs, pictures, videos that I have posted and shared with you throughout the school year. But now this is the student's version. So as you can see, they have 5 different options here at the top, and I will walk you through what each of these features entail. So the first one, let's say that part of their assignment yesterday was to complete a Venn diagram. They can go ahead and create a Venn diagram themselves. They can draw it and complete it and then take a picture of it, or they can go ahead and just draw the Venn diagram, take a picture of it, and then they can go ahead and annotate their thoughts. If they're comparing 2 different books or maybe a book and a movie, they can go ahead and actually add on text to the Venn diagram once they take the picture. So let's say that the setting for this movie is at the pool, and the setting for this other movie is at the surface. The characters in this book are children, and the characters on this other book are pirates. So they will go ahead and basically type in the differences, similarities, along with the title of the book. They can go ahead and do that. They can annotate their Venn diagram or any other photograph that they take a picture of, or they can complete everything and then take the picture of their work. Once everything is completed, they will click on save, and then they can go ahead and turn it in or hand in their work. And that's pretty much what that feature entails. Now, once they submit their work, I will get a notification stating that Joe or Angelina or Levi have submitted a work piece for me to assess or to review. And once I review it, I will approve it, and then it will be in their portfolio. And if they want to check their work, they can click on portfolio, and everything that they have submitted will be displayed here in this area. Now, the second feature is, of course, creating a video. So if I'm asking them to read a book and then record a video explaining the problem and solution in the book, or perhaps summarizing the story that they just read, they'll go ahead and record a video. The video can record up to 8 minutes, and it will be basically the same procedure. So they will go ahead and record the video, save it, and then turn it in. The draw feature will give them a blank canvas, and basically what they need to do is just go ahead and illustrate an activity that they're completing. For example, if they're completing an activity for art, they will go ahead and just basically draw their art piece and perhaps label it. Um, just an example. Save it, and then of course once they save it, they can go ahead and turn it in. Again, I will go ahead and review the assignment before I add it to their account. But as you can see, their portfolio will display all of the work pieces, whatever is an organizer, photograph, or a drawing that they have created will be displayed there. If they have created something using Word, Excel, or any other document, and they save it into their laptop or desktop, they can go ahead and click on File. They will look for the image or the file, and then they will upload it. So basically, that's self-explanatory. They look for the document that they're looking for. For example, here I have Art Challenge. I will click on Open, and then that will automatically load it to my portfolio. Okay, so it's loading right now. Let me try that again. File, Art Challenge, Open. All right, so it's not letting me add that. Let me try just document here just to show you. There it is, upload. And then you can go ahead and just, if it's a personal narrative, post, and then again, once they go to their portfolio, they should be able to see that. Then, of course, the last option is a journal entry. So if they are responding to a prompt, to a question, or perhaps I'm asking them to complete a fictional story, then they'll go ahead and write that. Have you ever? And then once they finish their writing piece, they can go ahead and save it and then turn it in. Once they go to their portfolio, as you can see, everything that we have worked on is listed here. So again, any type of organizer or visual with annotations made before or after taking the photograph will be there. Any drawings, any documents or attachments, and any word entries through the journal option. Every assignment will be posted here, so the students will be able to see what their daily assignment is instead of just you seeing that feature. They'll be able to see that now too. I hope this is helpful. I hope that this makes it easier for them to take responsibility and ownership of their own work. Again, all they have to do is just go to Class Dojo, choose sign in through the student, and then enter their code. Let me go ahead and log out so I can show you that again. So log in, our code is AKM QAD. They'll choose their name, and then they'll be able to see the assignment and therefore complete it by taking a photograph after they write something or complete an organizer, record a video, draw an illustration, attach a file, or just write their entry through our journal feature here. All right, let me know if you have any questions.